Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy and I'm so happy you are here with me. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a couple of dollar store bowls and a wired basket into a luxurious crystal lamp that will dazzle and shimmer. And if you would like to make one yourself, I will list out all the materials. I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All the materials used in this DIY video is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. To make the lamp base, we will need a couple of round plastic bowls. The first one I have chosen has a fluted shape to it. And the second one is a standard small to medium sized round garden planter. We will also need a couple of ceramic candle holders, like these ones. Dollar Tree sells them in both black and white. If you are only able to find the black ones, you can opt to spray paint them white if you prefer a white lamp. We will also need a silver hammer tea light holder. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace, like this one. For the lamp shade, we will need a wired basket like this. Dollar Tree sells the basket in both black as well as white, and as you can see, I have chosen the white version so I don't have to spray paint it later. We will also need some clear hanging crystal beads. The ones I will be using was purchased from Amazon, and each acrylic bead is connected by a silver jump ring. The next item I'm showing you is actually optional, but if you want your table lamp to have some weight, you will want to place some small rocks and pebbles, or in my case, some glass marbles inside the lamp base. Here I have chosen 2 bags of glass marbles and the weight seems perfect for what I prefer. For a light source, we will need a battery-operated push-button LED light. And to help us with our craft project today, we will be using some white spray paint. This one from Rust-Oleum was purchased from Home Depot for a few dollars. And as per many of my craft projects, we will need some Fix-All and our handy-dandy hot glue gun. My hot glue gun was purchased from Amazon. To begin, I took the 2 clear plastic bowls outside and gave each 2 to 3 healthy coats of spray paint on the outer portion of each bowl. And here's what they look like. Next, I placed the 2 bags of glass marbles inside the garden planter bowl. Then, taking some Fix-All and hot glue, I applied the glue along the rim of the garden planter bowl. The reason we are using Fix-All is because it provides a more permanent hold, while the hot glue will provide instant hold. Next, use some hot glue to line the seams where the 2 bowls meet, as this is where we will adhere the string of silver beaded necklace. This will serve to cover the seams, but also add a bit of embellishment and glam to the lamp base. And here is what our lamp base looks like so far. It already looks beautiful, but now we need to build out the neck of the lamp. For that, we will be adhering the ceramic candlesticks to the top of the lamp base. But before we do that, let's embellish the ceramic candlesticks with the same silver beaded necklace we used previously on the lamp base. You will also note that I have spray painted the ceramic candlesticks with the same white spray paint as what we used to spray paint the bowls. Once the ceramic candlesticks are embellished to your liking, use some Fix-All and some hot glue to adhere the first candlestick to the top of the base. Then, using some Fix-All and hot glue, again, adhere the silver hammered tea light holder on top of the first candlestick. And here is what the lamp looks like so far. And once we adhere the second candlestick to the top of the tea light holder, the lamp base alone will stand just above 16 inches tall. Once the second candlestick is adhered to the top, set the entire lamp base aside to allow all the glue to cure. In the meantime, we will start on making the lampshade. Take the wired basket and, if necessary, spray paint it white, or if you're lucky, the one you already have is white. The next step is very important, and I would recommend not to rush this step. We are going to take the wired basket and bend it into shape so that we can create two levels from where the crystal beads can hang from. Check to make sure the basket is bent evenly all around, as you don't want your lampshade to be lopsided. The benefit of using this wired basket is that it is quite forgiving, as you can really bend and unbend it until you are satisfied with the shape. Once you're done, your wired basket should look something like this. Next, take your crystal garland and count them out. Take note that on one end of each string of crystals there should be a jump ring that we will use to attach to the wired basket. You'll need to decide how many beads you will want to hang from each level of the wired basket. For mine, I'm going with a longer set of 5 and a shorter set of 4. The number of strings of crystals you will need will depend on how far or how closely you hang them on the wired basket. Along the opening of the wired basket is where we will be hanging the longer set of crystals. You can space out each string of crystals as closely or far apart as you prefer. For this step, it is very tedious and you will be giving your fingers quite a workout, so take some breaks and if you need to, rest your fingers. Once the first set of crystals are hung along the complete perimeter of the opening of the wired basket, turn the basket upside down to hang the second set of crystal garlands. Once the lampshade is done, we can place it on top of the lamp base like this. And then we can place the push button light inside the top opening of the lampshade. And here's the final look of our crystal table lamp. I'm amazed at how beautiful it turned out. With the substantial looking lamp base, you would never guess it was made from dollar store plastic bowls. And the lampshade looks absolutely exquisite with the 2 levels of hanging crystals. Comment down below and let me know where I should place this lamp. Should I make another and place it in the living room on a side table on either side of my couch? Or maybe this could go into the bedroom on the bedside table. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.